Alright, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to pick up with some pre-calculus here, and we're going to be talking about composite functions. So as you can see here, we're asked to use the given tables here that I've drawn to evaluate each composite function. So we want h of g of 0, h of g of -1, g of h of 0, and then g of h of +2. And this is very, very easy to do, but it may appear a little confusing when you first do it. So let's start with the first one here. So we need h of g of 0. First of all, what is a composite function? Is a function inside of another function, basically. So basically what we need to do this is when we have h of g of 0, basically what we need to do is we need to go to our table and we need to find g of 0. So we go up to our g table, find g of 0. Whatever g of 0 is, we find h of whatever that value is, and then that'll be our answer for that part. So for h of g of 0, let's find g of 0. So if we go up here to our table 1, well, g of 0 happens to be 3. Okay, so since g of 0 is 3, now what we need to do is we need to find h of 3. So what's h of 3? Well, h of 3 is 5. So that means that h of g of 0 is +5. Let's do the next one. So we need to find h of g of -1. So let's find g of -1. So we go up here. G of -1 just happens to be 9. So now we need h of 9. So we go over here and figure out what that is. Well, h of 9 happens to be 17. So therefore, h of g of -1 is +17. Alright, so we flipped it a little bit here. We've got g of h of 0. Again, all I did was flip it, but this time it's a little bit different. So this time we want to evaluate h of 0 first. So let's go to h of 0 was h of 0. H of 0 is 2. So now we need g of 2. So we go up here and we see what g of 2 is. Well, g of 2 happens to be -21. So therefore, g of h of 0 is -21. And then our last one is g of h of 2. Again, let's find h of 2. Well, we go here. H of 2 happens to be 2. And now we need g of 2. Well, g of 2 is also going to be -21. So therefore, g of h of 2 is also going to be -21. And that is your final answer. And that's how you use some tables here to evaluate a composite function or some composite functions. All right. So hopefully that made sense. Extremely confusing. Maybe the first time you see it, but with some practice, hopefully you'll see how it's done. All right. So that's going to be it, guys. I'll see y'all next time.